Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and PeteGustis.com. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Basically, I'm giving away these free surgical masks. They're actually free. First come, first serve. I would recommend, well, of course, like, commenting, and subscribe, but watch the whole video. It seems like some people just watch the first 30 seconds and then post comments or call me because they know me and have my number. But if you watch the video, it would help. The reason why I'm giving these away is because there's a lot of price gouging going on. I don't agree with it. But check out the video and keep in mind, like, subscribe, comment, share this, comment below. Let me know you need one of these. First come, first serve. I will ship them, but I'm not going to pay for shipping. All right, check out the video. So I don't know if you can hear the background, but it's April 9th. It's hailing here. All of a sudden it's thunderstorming, and then some people, well, I don't see hail here yet, but some people in other areas have already posted that they see hail. I want to give this update on the N95 respirators, surgical mask, and other personal protective equipment. Links will always be in the description. And if you want one of the free ones that I have, you have to be like, subscribe, and comment on this video. So I'm going to share this on multiple channels. They're first come, first serve. I will ship them, but I prefer local pickup. If I'm shipping them, you have to agree to pay the shipping. But the first ones that follow these regulations on all my channels will get it. And please do not call me because I get a lot of calls. Not for this anyways. If you have to call for other stuff, that's fine. It just kind of go from there. But when it comes down to it, I see a lot of price gouging. I have surgical masks. I do not want to sell them, even though I can make probably a lot of money. I'm going to go to this here. But I see 40 surgical or 40 well, they're not even the N95s, even though that you don't really need one, to be quite honest with you. $289. The other day I saw on eBay 2 N95s that were in the package still, over $100 for the bid, plus shipping. I think you're foolish to pay this amount, to be quite honest with you. And if you do some research, here's another one. Well, that's the same one, but here's one, $40. And the bid's still going, 20 bids, $41. This is insanity if you're going to pay that much for a mask. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know you want one, and I'm going to give you one for free. I'm in West Reading, of course, but if you want it mailed, well, we have 6 offices. I travel, but I'm not going to say I'm going to travel to drop off a mask. If you want one, comment, like it, share, subscribe. If you want free information on what to do too, well, you should be subscribed to this channel if you're watching this. But the CDC also has information on using cloth face masks. You can make your own. You got to keep in mind that if the particulates don't get in your mouth or in your lungs, that's why they recommend not touching your face. They recommend don't stick your fingers in your mouth. If you follow some of these basic guidelines, 6 feet social distancing, you should be fine. The government actually recommends that you can do a face cloth mask yourself. You can use a shirt, bandana, whatever you want. You can make your own. There's directions on how to make your own. Some people just got a shirt, wrapped it over their head, a pair of boxers. I saw a girl do that, and there was a YouTube video. If you look up, there's so many ways. Do not spend $100 or $40 for these. That's why my conscience is telling me, Pete, you cannot sell these things for $50 a piece to people who are scared of dying. I just can't do it. I'm a business person. I believe in making money, but I don't believe in screwing people over because they're scared. So keep that in mind. When you're looking at this, if you follow these guidelines, you can use cloth. It's perfectly, keep in mind, this virus is not just floating through the air, randomly killing people. You have to get particulates. It has to be in your system. So they recommend a cloth mask if you don't have this. And it says that you actually don't need respirator or one of these surgical masks. But if you want a free one, like, subscribe, comment, share it, and first come, first serve, you'll get them. I'm going to put the link in the description on all these. And, well, God bless everybody. Part of the link with the Center of Disease Control, where they explain how to make your own face coverings. And the reason why I'm putting this on here is to explain to you, you do not have to pay $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 or more like some of these people are telling you. The Center of Disease Control says a cloth face mask is perfectly acceptable because when you're looking at it, you have to get particulates either in or out of you to be able to get that. So long as you're not touching things, touching your face or sticking your fingers in your mouth, you should be okay. I'm actually going to repeat what this guy says. For some reason, the video recording is not capturing the audio, but I will have the link in the description if you want to see it. It says, here is how you can make your own face covering with items you can find around your house, like basically he's telling you to use a scarf, bandana, or something around the house like a t-shirt. And he says, just fold it. Fold it to the middle to the top. Fold it again to the middle to the bottom. And again from the top. Use 2 rubber bands. Then you fold either side to the middle. Fold it to the middle. And then you've made a cloth face covering. If you want to get technical, you can search on how to sew them and do all this stuff, but you can either just wrap a bandana around your head and tie it or something else. But this is pretty simple. It's not easy. Yeah, it's that easy. That's exactly what he said. So that's why I don't recommend getting price gouged. Sadly, I have to say my mom had realized I'm in the real estate business and she was worried for me, and she spent $40 on one of those containers of hand sanitizer wipes that you can get. I'm pretty sure they're typically around $5. It's a little bit upset that somebody charged my mom that, but she said they would not take it back. And I understand I'm a business person like everyone else, but to overcharge somebody that amount, and people are saying grocery stores have even jacked up prices. That's why I'm giving away these masks. Like, share it, comment below. First ones that comment will be able to get them at a first come, first serve basis. Do not spend money on these items. They're not necessary. Look at what the CDC website says in information. And I will actually put the link for this video if you want to look at it directly and hear their audio.